Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload in Google Ads. This is an incredibly useful feature when you need to make large-scale changes to your campaigns, whether you're adding multiple ads at once, updating keywords across different ad groups, or managing extensive campaign data without clicking through endless menus. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to ads.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. Take a moment to locate the Campaigns menu on your left navigation bar and click on it. This is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns and where we'll be working throughout this tutorial. Now, before we jump straight into uploading, we need to set up our file format correctly. This step is absolutely critical because uploading the wrong file type or an incorrectly formatted spreadsheet can lead to errors, failed uploads, or even worse, incorrect data being applied to your campaigns. So, let's take the time to get this right from the start. Under the Campaigns menu, click on Campaigns again to access your campaign's dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Download button and click on it. A small window will appear with several options. From here, click on More Options to expand your choices. This is where things get important. Under the Downloads window, make sure to select Editable Columns for bulk upload. This option ensures that the file you download will have the exact format and structure that Google Ads expects when you upload it back. Once you've selected this, click on Download. You'll be given a format based on the selected file type, typically an Excel.csv file. This is the exact template we'll be using, so save it somewhere you can easily find it. Now, you can start customizing this file and adding all your assets or data within the appropriate columns. Take your time filling in this spreadsheet. Make sure all your campaign details, ad copy, keywords, or whatever data you're uploading is accurate and properly formatted. Double check for any typos or formatting issues, as these can cause problems during the upload process. Once your file is fully edited and filled with your data, head back to your campaign's dashboard. Click on the three-dot icon, which represents the More Options menu located on the campaign header. From the drop-down that appears, click on Upload. You'll be directed to the Upload Spreadsheet window. This is where everything comes together. Click on the Select Source drop-down and choose Upload a file. Remember, this should be the base CSV file we downloaded and edited earlier. Click on Select a file from your computer and a File Explorer window will appear. Navigate to where you saved your edited CSV file, select it, and then click Apply. The upload process will start immediately, and all you have to do now is wait for it to finish. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a few moments, so be patient while Google Ads processes your data. And that's it. You've successfully performed a bulk upload in Google Ads, saving yourself tons of time and effort compared to making changes manually. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.